It's a great day here at Ray Citte RV in Roy, Utah. Today, I'm going to do a walkthrough of a 2022 Heartland Sundance 278BH. First of all, it comes equipped with a front electric tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, 2 batteries, nice LED lighting in your fiberglass front cap, an awesome extra wide door for your passenger storage equipped with a motion sensor light. An amazing, awesome long awning with LED lighting, inside and outside speakers. Back here you've got an outside barbecue griddle, great storage, a mini fridge, and they all come equipped with this awesome solid step stair system. They go all the way to the ground and make it really nice to be able to walk inside and outside and have sure footing. The exterior walls are made with a product called Azdel. Come on inside. First, I'm going to show you this awesome closet, pantry and coat rack. And on this side, you've got 2 full-size bunks. They're amazing because they've got awesome windows on each level and are both equipped with USB ports to charge your phone. The bathroom has awesome storage. You've got nice under the sink and a place for your toiletries, a shelf on this side with racks or hooks to be able to hang your towels, and a self-squeegeeing shower door, and an skylight so you tall guys can stand in the shower. Your entertainment system is equipped with a fireplace. It does put out amazing heat and will heat this whole area, but it also adds a lot of ambiance. You're able to install a TV, I think up to 55 inches on this outside wall. Your sofa here is a trifold. And then they've also gone away from carpet and they've done a hypoallergenic rubberized mat. Easy to clean. Amazing storage above your sofa. And your table is actually, you'll notice there's no legs. So it lifts up and down. So if you've got little kids, you can lower it down to their level. Also, easy access storage underneath each side. In the kitchen area, we've got an 8 cubic foot propane electric fridge, nice deep oven, a recessed 3-burner glass top. Your cabinetry has the hidden hinges, which is much what residential homes have used. Nice bank of drawers, and also they've got an awesome stainless steel barn sink. Great for storing and doing dishes. You can even put your watermelon in there while you're traveling down the road. In the bedroom, we've got great storage on either side of the bed for your clothing, nice overhead cabinetry, and this is a standard queen bed by 80 inches long, so you'll be able to use your regular queen sheets on this. On the inside, they've used that kind of dead space in the corner of your kitchen. They've given you an extra bank of drawers in the bedroom for you to store whatever you need to. Underneath the bed, it's normally you see the beds lift up. This is completely hollow, so you can slide big totes under there, or your duffel bags, or your shoes. So, and the window treatments, let me pull this out if I can find it, are the blackout window treatments. Are blacked out and you can sleep in. That does it for our walkthrough. Join us again.